Well, we are now in a big storm right now. This street right here, Maryland Avenue, gets flooded if it's like really hard rain, like pouring down rain because of the sewer uh, the sewer part holes. Sometimes would have gotten covered with leaves, but they are not this year. But looks like it's doing well. But huh, it is raining hard here in Glen Burnie, right out of my window. Hmm. In the state of Maryland, by law, if you use your windshield wipers, you have to put your headlights on. And that car right there doesn't appear to be you following the law. That truck is. Hmm. You can see the raindrops in on the outside of my window. Yeah, it's raining. Just want to make a quick 2 minute, 30-second video posted on Facebook, my YouTube channel as well. So, rain, storm. Well, hope you liked the video. It's raining, so I'll talk to you later.